Hello first secondary students, welcome back again. Today I'm going to explain Unit 6, Living Planet. As you see from the image, it's about the Earth, the planet we live on. You have to read more about the Earth because here you have some information. I think in my own point of view they are precious information. I want you to know and to look more for extra information. What is this? Wow, it's a hot liquid. What is it called? It's magma. What's magma? Very hot liquid rock found below the Earth's surface. It's the reading passage, pages 70 and 71. I'm discussing now the vocabulary of the reading passage. As I told you before, you have to scan and skim the reading passage to know the vocabulary and to understand what is it about and to know more information from the reading passage. It adds to your knowledge. Okay, here the first word is magma, as you see from the image and the definition. What's the second word? A division of microorganisms that are related to the bacteria but are capable of photosynthesis. What is it? They are cells, microbes. What is this? Cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria. This unit is mostly scientific. I want you to, those who are interested in science, I want you to look more for these definitions to know more about them. The next one. Okay, again, cyanobacteria, because it's a completely new vocabulary. Again. What is this? Results. Wow, what's results? Byproduct. What's byproduct? And unintended but inevitable secondary results. Example, you saw poverty as the byproduct of colonial prosperity. Byproduct means results or result, the outcome. You know, colonial prosperity. I want you to look it up in the dictionary. Molten. Something which is melted, molten. Something heated at a very high temperature so that it becomes liquid. This one is molten metal. Molten metal. It's an adjective. Emit. Emit means what? Look here. This is a chimney. Emits smoke. Smoke. It emits means it sends out. Produce and discharge something, especially gas or radiation. Synonym, send out. Example, even the best cars emit carbon dioxide. Again, emit means produce or send out. Send out. Solar energy options. What does it mean? It has relation to what? What's the next word? Harness. Harness means to make use of natural resources to produce solar energy. There are attempts to harness solar energy. Attempts means trials. We have a lot of solar powered heaters, whatever. Some houses in some countries are operated using solar power to harness the solar energy. Spew. What's spew? It's a completely new vocabulary. Spew means to be poured or forced out in large quantities. Example, volcanoes spew out large quantities of lava. Look at this. They are spewing the volcano. This volcano is spewing out large quantities, large amounts of lava. You know the meaning of lava, of course. Thrive on, a phrasal verb, to enjoy something, especially something that other people wouldn't like. Thrive on. He thrives on hard work. He works hard. He likes to work hard. The word thrive alone without on means struggle, to struggle. And here's each letter stands for a word for thrive. T stands for time balance, H stands for have fun, R stands for relationships, I stands for interests, V stands for vitality, E stands for enthusiasm. This is interesting. Look here, the other word, endure. Endure, this is a simple word. Synonyms, endure has different synonyms like stand, bear, put up with. Example, although he is old, he endures the hard journey. Look at this image. The man is so old, but he goes on a hard journey and he endures it because he has a strong will. He stands it, he bears it, and so on. Another word, look at this image. Trigger. Trigger means to put in motion or move to act. Okay. Trigger. Here, the rocket is launched, is triggered into the sky. Okay. We finished the reading passage vocabulary. I want you to guess the rest, and we have a lot of explanation in the booklet. Well, so we have finished the vocabulary. I want you for the next time to, after reading the passage and introduce learning the new vocabulary, I want you to answer the exercises shown on page 71. We're going to check it next time together, inshallah. This is for vocabulary vocabulary of the reading passage. Okay. Thank you. We're going to move for the vocabulary. For the rest of the vocabulary. Vocabulary 1, page 71, and vocabulary 2, page 72. Sorry. Vocabulary 1, page 72, and the vocabulary 2, page 73. I'm going to cover them together because vocabulary 2 only has the collective nouns. And the prepositions, they are easy. They are up to you. We're going to answer them together when we move back to the book exercises. Okay.